Hey guys, another update on IonQ because it's a volatile day again. Mm, yeah, talked about quantum sector being, how should I say it, having like 5 waves completed a while ago already. For Rigetti the same, QBT a bit different, but also noticed soon enough that, look, we should be careful. Now I think, yeah, this first leg down is done. Like should be done because the S&P, I'm still expecting higher prices there, and we backtested the trend line now. We have a good candle for now, and let's see, unless I'm jinxing it now, I would like to see the rest of the week green, because also if you go on the daily on IonQ, it's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row red. That's like, it's time to get a green candle, you know. On the 4-hourly RSI, we are oversold. The point of control we had here with the swing is holding now, like it's fighting. We won't close a daily below it if we close like this. But then still, even if we bounce, oops, sorry, I messed up my T. I need to fix it. 1 second. So even if we bounce, I still see this as a 5 wave to the downside. And then I'll zoom in. It's more clear like this. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay. So still looking for a bounce after this 5th wave. And I think it might be finished now. I mean, I keep saying it, yeah, it can bottom at any time, because getting the exact bottom is really, you can't do that. You can just know that buying now is like, it's less risky than buying here. Because normally after 5 wave move, you want to see at least a bounce. And this could be then a B wave, because in a corrective wave to the downside, you want to see 5 waves in a wave A, then a B wave, then again 5 waves in a wave C, or like WXY, WXY, and within, then you also have an ABC. ABC can be a 335, can be a 535. The thing is, it can also work its way on a larger 5 wave move, and then that just being an A wave, and then like do a deeper correction, but it's too early to call anything. Like this, I'll remove discount. I'll just do it like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or ABC, but I'll label it ABC for now. Not too bearish. Like the more bearish scenario we'll keep in our mind, but not on the chart, like this. So if you finish this could then still be only a larger A wave again. We do this and then we go down deeper, if possible. So like I said again, this rally took, well, this rally took 2 years, 3 years almost. So don't expect this to be finished in just 2 weeks. Impossible. Unless my count is wrong and we're doing something else. I expect, look, I have boxes here. I expect price to reach like 20, 30 levels, you know. Also, the company doesn't make any money. Yeah, they have revenue, but in their net revenue is, if I'm not wrong, in loss. Yeah, operating income. They have profit though, but if you have other costs, well, net income, well, and like, look, it's going even more negative. But that's, yeah, they invest heavily, more and more in like research and development. This is a lot, but here, yeah, this also is research and development. So yeah, If the balance sheet would be different, then maybe you would have a little bit more confidence, but then also the price would not move this hard and this volatile, you know. In like days like this, you can see which are the stronger companies, and yeah, for example, AMD just 3%. These Chinese ones, they're big companies, Chevron, ASML, strong big companies. They don't get bothered a lot with red days, but yeah, the smaller caps, they get wrecked. I mean, it's recovered already quite a bit now. I mean, recovered. It's up now 4% or something, 5%. So let's see. I'm again talking too much. So yeah, 5 waves look really complete now. I said maybe it was already complete here, but it went. I missed the double 1-2 scenario here. I just counted a single 1-2. And now, yeah, B waves, I'll delete these first fibs because B waves tend to go a little higher. 90%, 50, yeah, I'll leave this case, this scenario also on the chart that, yeah, starting from the 0.5, we should expect resistance. And yeah, you could trade this. I'm not saying it's not gonna break down, it can always do that, but we have 5 waves down. We could get a bounce now to these fibs before we go down more. 4-hour RSI oversold. Point of control will hold on the daily, so yeah, no financial advice, but once you see 5 waves to the upside, for example, on the weekly time frame, if you want to trade weeklies, look, you have 5 waves, risk is high, you can take a short here, for example, and ride this. Same now, we have 5 waves to the downside on the lower time frames. You can take a trade to the upside. For example, I'm going way too deep again now, but where was it? Here, I wasn't sure what it was, but you could see like 5 waves down. Was it then an A, B, C? I label it like that, A, B, and then in your C wave 5 waves down. I entered the position here and I sold here. Just based on nothing, I just saw 5 waves with then oversold RSI on the fifth, on like the shorter time frames. Didn't want to risk too much, so I sold. Just that day was also just a very good day, was +7 or +8%. But yeah, also ASML, for example, in this wave 3, perfect 5 wave move to the upside. We said here, look, it has to correct because we have a 5 wave move complete. Perfect. But again, there is no guarantee. It can always just drop. It depends on how many people decide to sell or not. But I believe a lot of traders use Elliott waves, and that, yeah, if you have a 5 wave move to the downside, it should be considered complete, and we need to get at least a bounce. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope this helped you again, and bye bye.